Hey you guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is April 24th, and they are good up until Saturday, April 30th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. Also, you guys, I will have a Google document linked in my description box below. That way that can help you with some of these deals. So let's go ahead and get into it. So in this transaction, I used a digital booster, get $15 in Walgreens cash when you spend $65. And then I also paired that with a paper booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. So with this transaction, I only had two issues. So one of my digital coupons didn't come off, and then only one of my registry rewards did not print. I am going to explain that later in the video. So let's go ahead and get started with the Airwick. So I went ahead and I purchased two of these Airwick Twin Essential Oil Packs. And these are buy one, get one 50% off this week at Walgreens. So they are priced at $7.49. You're going to purchase two. One is going to be $7.49. The second one is going to ring up half off at $3.74. So $7.49 plus $3.74 is $11.23. Now we have two digital coupons on the Walgreens app. We have a $5.50 off of two, and then we also have a buy one, get one free, which will take off a total of $6.50. So if you would like the higher value coupon to come off, then just wait to click the $5.50. That way the $6.50 will come off for you, which is the buy one, get one free. I personally clipped both because I'm going to be stocking up on Airwick this week, and I knew that this transaction was going to be free for me, so I didn't care that the $5.50 was going to come off. So in my case, the $5.50 came off. So $11.23 minus the $5.50 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $5.73, or it makes each one just $2.86. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed both of these Colgate Total Toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to purchase two at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.98 minus that $2 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $3.98. And then you will receive back that $4 registry reward for purchasing two. I did receive mine right here. So $3.98 minus this $4 registry reward makes both of those toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed two of these Irish Spring body washes. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to go ahead and purchase two at $4.99, and that's going to bring your total to $9.98. I personally had two $1 Irish Spring coupons on my account. I clipped one a while back, and then we also got a new one today. So I used $2 in digital coupons. So $9.98 minus $2, that brought my total down to $7.98. And then I did receive back my $5 registry reward for purchasing two. So $7.98 minus this $5 registry reward, that brought the total down to just $2.98 for both, or it makes each one just $1.49. And then I also went ahead and grabbed two of the Dove body washes, and these are priced at Walgreens this week at 2 for $14. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to purchase two at $14. So your total is going to be $14. And then we have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $14 minus the $7 digital coupon is going to bring your total down to $7. And then you will receive back that $4 registry reward for purchasing two. And with receiving this registry reward, that's going to bring your total down to $3 for both, or it's going to make each one just $1.50. Next up, I purchased 2 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste and then 1 of the Oral-B Super Floss. So these products are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to purchase 3 of these items at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $9. We do have a 6 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9 minus the $6 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $3. And then you will receive back a $5 registry reward for purchasing 3. That's going to make all 3 products completely free plus a $2 moneymaker. But then if you check the IBOTTA app, IBOTTA does have a 25-cent rebate for the code for the Crest toothpaste. The limit is 1. So you will get back 25 cents from IBOTTA. So that will actually make this a $2.25 moneymaker. Now, this is the deal that my registry reward did not print. My registry reward did not print for this deal. Not sure why. I have the qualifying items, but my $5 registry reward did not print for this deal. So just a heads up on that. And then also I forgot to mention that only 1 of my Irish Spring digital coupons came off and my second one did not. But I did contact customer service, and customer service actually went ahead and credited me the $6 to my account. Now, whenever you have an issue with a registry reward not printing, normally you would have to fill out the Catalina form. Sometimes you can contact customer service because if you get the right representative, they will credit that amount to your account. Luckily for me today, they did go ahead and credit that amount to my account. So just a heads up on that, you guys. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 Scott paper towels and 2 Scott toilet papers. Each of these products are regularly priced at $5. We do have a $1.25 IVC coupon that you can use on each one. And then also, you guys, I went to the Scott brand website and I printed off 2 75-cent coupons for the Scott Comfort Plus tissue. So if you would like to stock up on this, you can go to their website and print off some coupons. Now keep in mind that the value of your coupon may be lower or it may be higher than mine. For me specifically, I was able to print off 75-cent coupons. You may be able to print off $1, or you may be able to print off 50-cent coupons. So that does vary. So that is everything that I got. So with the Scott tissue, they came out to $3 each, and then with the Scott paper towels, they came out to $3.75 since I didn't have any manufacturer coupons for those. So that's everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there are both of the Wick buy one get one 50% off, one at $7.49, the second one half off at $3.74. The Colgate toothpaste both at $2.99, so $5.98. Both Irish Spring body washes at $4.99, so $9.98. Both of the Dove body wash at 2 for $14. The Oral-B floss $3. Both of the Crest toothpaste $3, so $6 total. And then there are my Scott products. As you can see, the IVC coupons did come off on each product. And then the point coupon purchase is my paper booster. Get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. Both of my 75-cent paper coupons for the Scott tissue. My $7 digital for the Dove, $6 digital for the Crest products, my $5.50 digital for the Wick, $2 digital for the Colgate, $1 digital for only 1 of my Irish Spring. As you can see, the second one did not come off. So my subtotal came out to be $42.19. I did go ahead and use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. So $42.19. And then in Walgreens cash rewards, I earned $27.49. So $42.19 is my total, and I got back $27.49 in Walgreens cash rewards. So $42.19 minus that $27.49, that brought my total down to $14.70. Now of that $27.49, $10 came from the paper booster, get $10 when you spend $50. $15 came from the digital booster, get $15 when you spend $65, and then the extra $2.49 came from the everyday Walgreens points. So that brought my total down to $14.70. Then in registry rewards, as you guys can see, I got back a total of $13 in registry rewards. So $14.70 minus the $13 in registry rewards that I got back, that brought my total down to $1.70. Then I got back a total of $6 from customer service, $1 for the Irish Spring, and then $3 for my $5 registry reward for the Crest. So $1.70 minus the $6 that I got back from customer service. That made this transaction completely free, plus a $4.30 money maker. I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got back a total of 487 points, which is 48 cents. So that made this transaction completely free, plus a $4.78 money maker. And then lastly, I got back that 25 cents from IBOTTA for purchasing the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So that made this transaction completely free, plus a $5.03 moneymaker. You guys, this was a great transaction today at Walgreens. I have absolutely no complaints. I am so happy with this transaction, you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys plan to get this week at Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points when you scan your receipt. Also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys, and I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.